Heading into court with his political future in the balance, Pita Limjaroenrat looking relaxed as he fought his way through crowds of supporters and journalists to get into the Constitutional Court. Despite his demeanour, a concern the court might well ban him from politics, as it has with other popular politicians in recent years. So it was something of a surprise when a not guilty verdict was handed down. By a margin of 8-1, the judges agreed that the media company hadn't been active for 17 years. But the judgment won't change the fact that Pita isn't Prime Minister, nor has his party moved forward in government. Despite a surprise win in last year's general election, his appointment was thwarted by the unelected upper house, and the party remains in opposition.
Anyone could have avoided.
But Move Forward and Pita aren't deterred.
Either you give up politics and walk away from it, ignore it, hopeless, or you actually pay more attention to it and become more hopeful. Whether it's outside Parliament or inside of the Parliament, because I'm the people's choice, but the Parliament's enemy.
Move Forward's previous incarnation, Future Forward, was disbanded by the court in 2020. The reformist platform of both parties, while popular, has angered Thailand's establishment that's tried to shut them down.
The call for change and reform and progress in Thailand is unmistakable, inexorable, and it's growing. So, putting that down, denying it, comes at a very high cost for Thailand and for the establishment that runs Thailand.
So does the court's verdict indicate a change?
A surprise, not guilty verdict today, and something of a relief for Pita Limjaroenrat. But he's not out of the woods yet. The party will be back here in 7 days' time for a decision in the Constitutional Court that could see them disbanded.
As he tried to leave, the crowd surged forward, some shouting out Prime Minister. It's a job he didn't get this time, but it's still very much in his sights.
Is there any chance for the Prime Minister's job now, or are you happy to sit out in opposition for the rest of this term?
I'm still the Prime Ministerial candidate according to the Constitution. So if anything happens, then I'm always ready, willing, and able to lead this country going forward. But that depends on the process. Thank you so much.
Tony Cheng, Al Jazeera, Bangkok.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.